Hello, in this video I'm going to show you all media function keys on Logitech G413 TKLSE. Okay, so we have those shortcuts when we hit the Fn, and under the F6 we can go into our previous video. When we click Fn plus F7 we will stop or we will play the recording, and when we click on the F8 we will move into the next video on the playlist. Now I'll open up the YouTube to show you how it works. Okay, so now I'm on the YouTube. I have opened the playlist. So now when I'll hit the Fn and F6, you can see that the previous music and the song on the playlist has been played. Now when I hit the Fn plus F7, the video gets stopped. Now I'll click again and it plays. And the last thing is when I hold the Fn button and F8, I'll go into the next song or video on the playlist. Now I'll hit again and you can see that it's changing. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.